all. Number 6 is good though. See right there, come down. But the engine still is cold, so maybe some stiction. Yeah, I bet you it isn't. Well, I'm not very happy. We'll take it for a drive. Nope, now I have, if you see, 1, 3, and 5 dropping out, and this thing's barely running. So we most likely have oh, now it's pepping up. We most likely have some combustion getting back in the fuel system. It's wanting to die. Yeah, she's not happy. Okay, we have the injectors out of the truck, and I was saying that I suspect that it had combustion getting back in the fuel system. Well, this would be cylinder number 1, 3, 5, and 7. And you can see number 5, copper washer's gone, O-ring is all melted. You can see it's just black, all that combustion build up. I don't know, is that a little bit of the copper washer? Yeah, right there. Right there. That's what's left. So what this was actually most likely caused by was whoever put these injectors in for some repair. I don't know, it's hard to say what. They didn't torque them properly, and that is what tells me. Now, if I would have removed all 4 of these and I had combustion getting back into my fuel system and all my copper washers were good, but I had some deteriorating O-rings, then I would suspect low fuel pressure, and the low fuel pressure would have been coming up because internally the injectors would have been getting bad, and they would have hammered on themselves due to the low fuel pressure. Basically, the needle is sticking open and compression is going through the nozzle back into the injector. So I'm hoping I tear this one down and internally it's okay. Hopefully everything cleans up. This one's pretty nasty. So I'm going to tear these down, inspect the internals, and start cleaning them up. That's nasty, but our screens are so good. I think we're going to be able to rebuild that. All those injectors are looking pretty good. I'm going to attempt to rebuild them. I don't see anything internal that could cause any issues. The only one obviously would be out of number 5 that maybe have some internal problems, but I didn't see anything. There's no scarring, nothing. The nozzle looks good. The needle moves in and out of the nozzle just fine. So I'm going to go ahead and rebuild them, and you all have obviously watched me do that, so there's no point in going through that again. Once I get them rebuilt, I will put them in the truck, check fuel pressure, and I'll go over doing that, checking base fuel pressure, make sure that's good, and then start it up, go drive it, see how it goes. Just finished rebuilding injectors on the passenger bank. I'm gonna blank for a second there. Oh, batteries are going weak. Gotta charge batteries. try this again. Charge the batteries a little bit and jump in the, well, using a starter feature. Need to make oil pressure. There we are. Sounds good. That's nice. Everything's staying even. If you ever use one of these on a gas engine, it'll hold pretty smooth. Diesels, for some reason, you'll get these variants in here. But normally, anything below -20 will actually indicate a misfire. On cold startup, you may get it, but if it cleans up relatively quick, you shouldn't have an issue. Okay, we'll let the engine warm up. Where are we at? And then we'll go drive it. Running about 40 miles an hour. I don't know if you can catch that. I may be too shaky. It's looking normal. Feels normal. Before, this truck wouldn't even make it out of my driveway. And now we're up to 50. We're doing good. Got done driving it. We're all warmed up. I drove it, oh, I forgot to even look what it was. I guess I can look whenever I edit it, see what miles. It's idling nice and smooth.